Hi, welcome to our channel Offbeat Traveling and represented by Kamal, Deepak, Rajesh. I'm Kamal and today we'll be discussing about Jodhpur Jhal. It's a very small place situated at the border of Mathura and Agra. And if we talk about the Jodhpur Jhal, it's basically a water body, or we can say it's a marshland where you can find the birds. Habited birds are there and migrated birds also you can find there. So हाउ टू रीच जोधपुर झाल. अगर हम लोग आगरा से मथुरा की तरफ जा रहे हैं आफ्टर क्रॉसिंग अ कीथम एंड इट्स द टोटल डिस्टेंस ऑफ 22 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम आगरा टू जोधपुर झाल. सो देयर इज अ फ्लाईओवर ब्रिज. एक्चुअली यू हैव टू टेक अ लेफ्ट फ्रॉम देयर एंड वंस यू अप ऑन द ब्रिज यू डोंट हैव टू cross it, you have to get down, and the moment you get down you have to take a right towards the village. For the detailed information about this place, for the address and the coordinates, you can check out in the description box.
So guys, मैं आपको बताता हूँ एक नई जगह डिस्कवर करना है. ये देखिए उधर, ये है जोधपुर झाल जो कि आगरा और मथुरा के बीच में पड़ता है. एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेस फॉर बर्ड वॉचिंग एंड वी आर हेयर नाउ. तो आपको लेकर चलते हैं. देखिए कितना मज़ा आने वाला है. शाम होता है, थोड़ा सा संभल के चलना पड़ेगा. प्लीज आते ये सब ये होल ये देख रहे हैं ना, ये ऐसे ये छोटे होल ये बड़े होल ये ना, ये सब सांप के घर है ना. यू मस्ट वॉच.
Done census. Actually it was done by the AWC, and by the AWC census we got to know that somewhere around 1100 birds are there at the time. And if we talk about the new species were also found there, and this census is very important if we talk about the birds and their natural habitat. And there are some birds actually which we say to red listed threatened birds which are actually rarely available. So we need to be very concluded about these things. As per the AWC recent survey and census, we got to know that there is a hike in the number of species birds available there. These birds are even you can spot in Sioux server also. So that's a good news actually, and the people are working for it, and we really like to appreciate their efforts to get noticed. And this is people are going there, they're carrying like the big stuff, they are going there with a like number of vehicles. Even the bikers are reaching there, they like go in a group. That's actually a good idea to go there in a groups and all, but just to maintain the distance, and you need to be like park your vehicle before the land, and they should not noise there, should not try to like get into too much close to the birds. That's actually very important. And you should also talk to the village people, because they people would be there to taking care of them right now, as if now. If we talk about the place, there used to be a canal system, and which was constructed by the British that time. Now the canal are rarely used. Hardly one canal is there to serve the water to the nearby farms and villages. And if you talk about the plants, khajur, generally phoenix we call it, it is there. It's like abundance of there. And if you talk about the white grass is a prominent area with the white grass. You can easily see the flight and the landing of the birds if you maintain the distance. Like you can see behind me, or you can see the screen, it's a painted stork flying over there or hovering over the waterland. If you talk about this area, it's a total 125 hectare marshland. And if you talk about the birds, the small water birds and the big birds are also there. And like if you can like see this area and you go there, you can spot three major big birds. One is this flamingos, and flamingos, two types of flamingos are there. Majorly you can spot greater flamingos, and generally in Hindi we call them rajhans. And if you talk about the second big bird, it's pelican, and third is a sarus, cranes. See, one of the greatest phenomenon, if you are the bird watcher or the natural lover, you can see or spot the landing of the flamingos. They generally flock together, and you can see behind me on the screen, they are landing and smoothly landing on the water bodies. If you talk about the birds near this area, we can see like 18 kind of birds. Actually 18 type of species are there, which are the totally resident birds. And if you talk about the migratory birds, we can find more than 125 species over there.
तो दोस्तों दिस इज़ नाउ द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो। लेकिन अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ 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 अभी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और आपको हमारी वीडियो अगर पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली। एंड ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर आवर लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स। Thanks, goodbye and take care. See you again in the next video. And also please don't forget to vaccinate yourself to fight against COVID-19. Thanks, take care.